Hi everyone. Today, let's dive into two crucial aspects of SQL Server security: data at rest encryption and data in motion encryption. Data at rest encryption ensures that your stored data is protected from unauthorized access on the file system level. In SQL Server, transparent data encryption is the primary method used for this purpose. Transparent data encryption encrypts the entire database, including backups, without requiring changes to the application. To do that, it uses a database encryption key, which is stored in the database boot record for availability during recovery. By enabling transparent data encryption, you safeguard your data against threats like stolen disks or unauthorized physical access to storage devices. Data in motion encryption protects data as it travels across the network. In SQL Server, this is typically achieved using Secure Sockets Layer, in short SSL, or Transport Layer Security, in short TLS. SSL or TLS encrypts the data transmitted between the SQL Server and clients, preventing eavesdropping and tampering. You can enable SSL or TLS encryption by configuring certificates on the SQL Server and setting encryption options in the connection string. Using SSL or TLS, you ensure that your sensitive data remains secure while being transferred over networks, mitigating risks from network-based attacks. In summary, SQL Server provides robust encryption mechanisms to protect your data both at rest and in motion. Implementing TDE and SSL or TLS helps you meet compliance requirements and enhance the overall security of your database environment. For more insights on AI, databases, programming, and tech trends, subscribe to my channel on YouTube.